natin yung Fit Tea Premium Organic Herbal Teas 28 days. For 28 days, slimming tea. So, anyway, pinatry lang to ng kaibigan ko. So, ito try natin. So, Fit Tea supports metabolism, boost energy, reduce bloating, burn fat, and detoxifying. So, Fit tea is a tea like a white tea, a green tea, or a weight loss tea, and a great tasting herbal tea, all wrapped up in a beauty pouch. Remarkable things happen when you drink 2 cups of slimming tea daily. It is gently yet surprisingly powerful. It is used as a colon cleanse and parasite cleanse and candida cleanse, a blood purifier, and a whole body detoxifier. Maganda siya. So, enjoy your tea. So, you need to drink this one every morning. Hindi pala you need. So, mag-drink kayo iinumin nyo to morning kasi, enjoy every morning before, during breakfast. If you forget, just drink when you get a chance, but not nighttime. Kasi, itong tea na to is contain of caffeine. So, hindi siya recommended na iinumin nyo 5 p.m. pababa. Kasi hindi kayo makakatulog. So, kailangan din natin ng sleep. So, 1 bag for 4 to 5 minutes in nearly boiling water if desired, and honey or slice of lemon. So, lagyan mo ng honey or slice of lemon. Kung gusto mo lang or gusto mo yung natural lang talaga, okay lang. So, contains caffeine, not recommended to consume after 5 p.m. So, yung laman ng ingredients niya is sinalef, green tea, cassia seed, lotus leaf, 5-leaf gynostema, honey safflower, hawthorn fruits, and honey flavorant. Okay? Important information. So, ito yung importante. This tea should be consumed as part of a healthy calorie-restricted diet. Its symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, or prolonged diarrhea occur. Disease use and consult your GP. If you are taking any medications and have a medical conditions or are under medical supervision, please consult a doctor or healthcare professional before use. Not apply for children and pregnant or breastfeeding women. Not suitable for those with a history of bowel or digestive issues. Kasi ito yung slimming tea. Slimming tea to eh. Kailangan ko pa bang mag-slim? So anyway, ito yung laman niya. Ilan yung binigay sa akin. So isang packet nito may 28 pieces siya. So mabibili nyo po ito sa Worldwide or any branch na meron ganito. Hanapin mo lang. So, ito yung ano niya, tea. Okay? Ano ba to? Buksan natin. Kung nakabag ba siya. Oh guys, nakabag siya. So, ayan. Okay, try na natin. Okay? Makeup na yung instruction. So, hindi pa masyadong naluto yung yung tea sa water. So, ayan guys. Titikman na natin yung tea natin. So, hindi siya masyadong green, pero greenish. Sama. Ayan. Okay. Ayan na siya. Ang pabanyos green. Yan. Tikman na natin. Uy, masarap siya. Pag nilagyan mo ng lemon, at saka honey. Ano kaya magiging resulta natin? So, try natin to guys for 28 days. Kung mag-slim ba ako. Pero sabi nung kaibigan ko, magdudumi ka talaga. So, itatapon niya yung mga kinain mo, yung mga fat. Parang itatapon niya lang. Ganda to. Sarap siya. Ililinisin niya yung katawan natin. Ayan yung katawan ko ngayon. Pampaslim daw eh. Hindi, sinusubukan lang natin. Slimming tea kasi to. So, sa mga gustong so, sa gustong magpa-slim dyan, so, try this 28 days.